Hello, little learners. Welcome to ESL Express. Today, we're going to learn some fun spring words. Are you ready? Let's go! Rainbow. After the rain, we see a colorful rainbow in the sky. Butterfly. Look! A beautiful butterfly is flying in the garden. Caterpillar. The caterpillar crawls on the leaf before turning into a butterfly. Flower. Flowers bloom in spring. They are so pretty. Blossom. Blossoms are tiny flowers that grow on trees in spring. Nest. Birds build a nest to keep their eggs safe. Puddle. After the rain, we jump in the puddles. Splash, splash. Raindrop. Raindrops fall from the sky when it rains. Now, let's see what you remember. I'll show you a picture and you tell me the word. Ready? Let's go! What do we see after the rain? Yes, a rainbow. Which insect has colorful wings and can fly? That's right, a butterfly. What crawls on a leaf before turning into a butterfly? Yes, a caterpillar. What grows in spring and smells nice? Correct, flowers. What are the tiny flowers that grow on trees? Yes, blossoms. Where do birds lay their eggs? That's right, in a nest. What do we jump in after it rains? Yes, a puddle. What falls from the sky when it rains? Correct, raindrops. Which one comes first, the rain or the rainbow? That's right, the rain comes first, then the rainbow appears. Great job, everyone! You did amazing! Which word was your favorite? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun English videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.
ESL Express!